Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Humpty Dumpty, clap your hands, come and dance across the land. Hop around and sing with glee, happy as can be. Humpty smiled and waved hello, watching little flowers grow. Birds were singing in the trees, dancing softly in the breeze. Humpty Dumpty, spin around, tap your feet upon the ground. Laugh together, shout hooray, let's have fun today. Friends all came from near and far, shining bright like every star. Holding hands they danced in line, everything was simply fine. Clap your hands and stomp your feet, every smile is warm and sweet. Jump up high and count to 3, come and dance with me. Humpty learned to take good care, walking safely everywhere, helping friends with all his might, making every moment bright. Humpty Dumpty, smile so bright, fill the world with pure delight. Wave goodbye, we'll sing once more, see you soon for songs galore. Bye bye friends, see you next time.
Pitter patter, raindrops fall, tiny splashes, big and small. Clouds are dancing in the sky, rainbows waving way up high. Splash, splash, jump and play, happy rain is here today. Clap your hands and twirl around, listen to the rainy sound. Little duck says quack, quack, quack. Tiny frog says croak right back. Colorful umbrellas shine, everything looks so divine. Splash, splash, jump with me, dance beneath the rainbow tree. Laugh together, sing hooray, rainy fun all through the day. Boots go splish